Assalamu alaikum. This is Radio Sada Hurriyat Jammu Kashmir. I am Ibn Salam with Kashmir Update. In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the all parties Hurriyat Conference and Jammu and Kashmir Democratic Freedom Party, while expressing concern over the increased bloodshed unleashed by Indian troops, have said that the targeted killing of Kashmiri youth is part of India's nefarious designs to change the demography of the territory. The All Parties Hurriyat Conference and Democratic Freedom Party, in their separate statements issued in Srinagar, said the Indian fascist regime has trampled all fundamental rights in Kashmir, where people are continuously living under the shadow of a war. They deplored that during the past couple of months, scores of young and educated boys have been killed in the so-called cordon and search operations and urged the international community to take cognizance of the growing Indian military onslaught against the Kashmiris. The Jammu and Kashmir People's League organizer, Muhammad Hamza, addressing a meeting in Srinagar, stressed the need for resolving the Kashmir dispute through result-oriented dialogue process between Pakistan and India. People staged a protest demonstration against the anti-people policies of the authorities in Tenigonduru area of Islamabad district. The protesters told media that amid the ongoing COVID-19 surge, they are being harassed by Indian troops during search operations. The United Nations Human Rights Council has called upon the Indian government to take measures to halt the acts of arbitrary detention and intimidation of journalists covering the situation in occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The council gave New Delhi 60 days to file a response. The United Nations Special Rapporteur Erin Khan and Alina Steenert, in the fresh communication, have urged New Delhi that all necessary measures be taken to halt the violations and prevent the reoccurrence till the reply is filed. The journalists mentioned by the special rapporteurs, including Fahd Shah, Aqib Javed, Sajad Gul and Qazi Shibli. They have also mentioned that Kashmir Times, a daily newspaper whose Srinagar office was sealed by authorities in October 2020. The Council also expressed regret over the Indian government's failure to reply to its previous communication dated 6 May 2020. Congress leader Professor Saifuddin Soz, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said that BJP leaders' attitude showing arrogance of power and they do not wish to understand that Pakistan is basic party to the Kashmir dispute. A report released by Kashmir Media Service today said that Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government is hell-bent upon eliminating the Muslims from India and turning the country into a Hindu state. It went on to add that minority communities, particularly Muslims, are facing existential threat in India ever since Modi Hindutva government came into power in 2014. And this is for now. Have a good night and keep listening to Radio Sada Hurriyat Jammu Kashmir.